homeschooling. We really don't need a homeschool room anymore. So I was trying to turn this into a content room, or no, not even a content room. My husband wanted a content room. I was like, I could just do a beauty room, especially since our content is on hold anyways. So I've been working on that, but it looks like a hot freaking mess all the time. And I have way too many things in here. Like, I have my jewelry in here, my hair things, I have my clothes in here because my husband has all his clothes in the dresser in our room, closets, his stuff. I have my shoes in here. I have 2 chairs in here. Now, all it's doing is holding clothes. I have a whole dresser in here. I have a shoe rack in there, which is no problem. Closet's no problem. But I have a shelf here that has books from homeschool. I just don't know what to do, y'all. Oh, by the way, today we have off because of a Jewish holiday, I believe. Thank you, God, for this day off. But last week was the week I posted today the video of having a hard week, and I'm feeling better. And like I mentioned in that video, I need to get back on my discipline journey. So that starts with getting this room together. I just don't know where to start, and right when I'm in the middle of mess, I just stand here and it's like, what do I even tackle first? And I think it may be just taking some things out of the room. Y'all, I'm overwhelmed already, and I feel like this would even take me all night. Now I'm thinking, is this even smart to do today? Is it? I have so many other things to do. Help. Okay, well, let me grab the camera and give you guys a closer look. Okay, as beautiful as this house is, I don't think it has the space that we need, and for that, I can't wait to move out. But I just have like bags here for my little garbage bin, hair things, whole lot of mess here. Oh, it continues. The dresser is back here. This chair of all the clothes, this shelf I was just telling you guys about. My husband put all these things in here, and I don't know why he does that, but it makes me want to strangle him. I have this little lap desk down here, but yeah, this is why I'm feeling a little stuck. But I think I'm about to just put things out of the room just to get some space, and then I can decide where they need to go. I have a lot of shoes I need to wash. It's all clean, y'all. I just have things I need to get off the wall, but I take this to work with me, so I just have my clothes there for tomorrow with these Converses right there. I have my plant, my board there. This is a lot, but it's not staying like this, but for now. Ring light, got this stuff up here. This mirror. Look at cupcake. But and I just have, yeah, that's pretty much it. The closet, the clothes are up. That's what matters. And I think I'm done. I think I need to just wipe this up. I'm probably just gonna clean the top of this and then I'll be done. But I absolutely love this light that's just shining on my face because, let me see, if I turn these lights off, see, I can still see. And if I turn this off, look at that. And that's not even the brightest settings. That's pretty cool. So, oh my god. But I gotta get to looking at my notebook. I just want a binder that has everything I need. Clothes, food, sometimes hair, kids, house. The house needs to be clean. Clothes need to be washed, maybe ironed. Front side of the camera, so if it's looking like it's bad quality, that's why. The tripod, I left it. Okay, I probably should have grabbed the ring light. This is me lunchbox. I'm going to, I usually try to get, tomorrow's Friday, like I really don't want to don't do too much. Thank God.
Then as a woman,
I get so thirsty
there
at
are some
night.
things that it is Reese in the house. As you know, I rebranded to be a stay-at-home wife. Y'all, that's crazy to say, especially if you've been rocking with me since back in college when I was a finance major. Yo, the way my life has just been transitioning back and forth to different areas is just insane. So you probably clicked on here because you want to know why I feel like YouTube held me back and just all the things that's been happening in my life that I have not documented on here on YouTube specifically. I definitely want to, I basically didn't really do that last fall, especially on YouTube.
I have some blueberries.
Back because you like
little oranges.
Maybe this time it might work to put it out.